AVID Scholars, this is Mrs. Cruz, and these are our weekly announcements for AVID class. We are on week 8 right now of the school year, quarter 4, so that means we're almost there. We're down to the last few days, and you can start to see the peak of the mountain as we are climbing. So what that means is hang in there, keep doing a great job, and really push hard these next few days so that you could end the year strongly. This week, our Scholar of the Week is Natalie Ortiz. I wanted to give Natalie a shout out this week just because she has been doing such a great job throughout throughout the whole year, really. But in these long distance situations, I have seen her do such a great job because she's been listening to the feedback continuously, turning in quality work, which is a theme that you guys have heard a lot, and really just staying consistent and coming and showing up to all of the Zoom tutorials and just virtual sessions that we've been having. So thank you very much, Natalie. I have been really grateful for you. As we move forward, I do have a few announcements to make. So first of all, you should have seen the resources already posted for the last makeup tutorial. It's tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. So please make sure that you are completing the Google form and also the virtual Jamboard so that you are ready for your makeup tutorial. So it's a great way to earn some extra points if you missed any tutorial sessions this quarter. Once again, it's the last one of the quarter, tomorrow at 12:30. Also, this week we have one class with our tutors. This is the last week that our tutors will be with us. So we are going to meet with them as a class on Friday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. They have a special treat really that they have planned for us. So it should be an enjoyable class, more like, team builders and such like that our tutors have planned. You are going to get participation points, so it is required that you go, but should be enjoyable from 10 to 11. And then we also, after that, just have one more class that we are going to be logging on for, which is going to be on June 9th from 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and that lands on a Tuesday, if you want to mark your calendars. Another thing you should have seen by now are the weekly logs that have been assigned. So I already have noticed that many of you have already worked on your Monday ones, so thank you so much for that. And this week's goal is about pushing yourself academically. So I'm asking that you think about yourself personally and think about an area that you need to work on. I gave you some ideas here, like, do you have to work on work quality? Are you kind of like one of those people at this point that you're just training in something and you know you didn't try your best? Do you need to work on just making sure you turn things in on time, consistency in any area? Maybe it's like your attitude or your drive at this point. So just think to yourselves and think about what you can improve as far as it goes as you as a student. Okay, so push yourselves these last few days. I'm hoping that you guys notice that there's actually a different due date this week, and you also may have noticed on your logs that you have one less day to complete. So our logs only go up to Thursday this week, and the reason why is because you are being asked to turn and submit these logs by Thursday, June 4th, before 3 p.m. So it's a new deadline. Please pay attention to it. I notified it on your Google Classroom as well if you didn't notice it there. And as usual, ask questions if you're not sure about something. Okay, so if we look at our schedule for the week, it's pretty straightforward. We have our quote there. In any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing. The worst thing you can do is nothing. But this is by Theodore Roosevelt, and I like it because it's basically telling you that as long as you're taking a step forward, then you're trying to do the right thing, and you're trying, which is better than not doing anything, which is the most regrettable thing to do. Now, as far as the scholar goal goes, school-wide, our school is encouraging us to check our portal and also to look for those friends that we can motivate to do their work. Okay, so good goal there. This week, we have had some changes in our time frames, so please pay attention because I've had some meetings, so I've had to move some things around. First of all, you'll notice that our makeup tutorial, we've talked about this, it's tomorrow at 12:30. So make sure that you're there if you need to make up a tutorial. If you don't need to make up a tutorial, then you don't owe me anything there. Then you'll notice that Thursday you should be completing your Thursday slide, completing the goal reflection, the grade check, turning in your weekly log by that Thursday at 3 p.m. And then on Friday we have our Zoom class from 10 to 11 a.m. for participation points. And then later that day I will be online for office hours. So you can find me there. Okay? I think that's all I have as far as announcements go for our class. So thank you for listening to this, and I hope that you all have a great week.